2025 is almost here and you're probably thinking, how can I become a millionaire? You've probably seen influencers like Iman Gadzhi and Ali Abdaal making it seem like it's easy, promising that anyone can get rich with their strategies. But let's get one thing straight. Becoming a millionaire is not easy. It's not about quick wins or selling secrets like you see in influencer content. Real wealth doesn't come from shiny sales pitches or viral tricks. People like Iman Gadzhi make it look easy. Follow my course, buy my program, and you can make a fortune too. But here's the truth. That's not the reality. Getting rich takes time, hard work, and real dedication. Success doesn't happen overnight, and it sure doesn't come from skipping steps. You'll face failures. You'll question everything you're doing. And guess what? That's normal. Because the path to millionaire status is long and hard. Building wealth is not about buying into the next flashy online course or jumping on some trend. It's about understanding the value you create, how money works, and committing to building something that lasts. Iman Gadzhi and others may sell the idea that becoming a millionaire is easy, but that's a lie. It's about mastering skills that matter, investing in yourself, making smart decisions, and working relentlessly towards your goals. True millionaires are built over years, not months. You need grit, patience, and the ability to push through the tough times when everyone else is quitting. Instead of focusing on becoming a millionaire quickly, focus on becoming a millionaire through the right way, through hard work, smart investments, and by building something sustainable. So forget the easy millionaire narrative you hear from influencers. It's not true. Real wealth takes time. And if you're serious about becoming a millionaire in 2025, remember this. There's no shortcut, just smart choices, consistent effort, and resilience. Becoming a millionaire isn't easy, but it's possible. Focus on the long road, keep learning, and trust the process. 2025 is your year, but it starts with your first step, today.